In order to meet budget this year, we will, in my opinion, have to start some cost-saving measures.
What do you mean by that? Redundancies?
That's one possibility.
I can't agree with you there. We need a strong workforce.
Okay, thanks, Maya. Look, cost-cutting is something that we need to think about. But we also need to stop the downturn in sales and regain market share. So can I bring you in here, David? Any comments?
Well, it's hard to know what the problem is. Our products are competitive.
So they're not getting